This is Taking Stock on Bloomberg. I'm Pimm Fox. We're talking about the world of investing in stock exchanges. With my guest and expert, we have Ed Ditmire of Macquarie Equities Research. Ed, let's turn now. We talked about NYSE Euronext. Tell me about what's going on at Nasdaq OMX, because this is trading, if I take a look, right at a 10, maybe 9, 10 multiple, even under what's going on at NYSE Euronext. Why?
Yeah, we think Nasdaq's perhaps a more stable company, less going on, but a very interesting stock story. And the story there is that from late 2008 until maybe mid-year 2009, this company lost a lot of U.S. equity share. It went from 30% to 20%. It lost some key executives, and the stock plummeted. Since mid-year, the company's been rebuilding that equity market share. They've gained about half of it back. They stand right now at around 25% U.S. market share. They've rebuilt the executive team, and yet the stock is still languishing at what are the lowest valuations of any exchange in the world. And so we think it's a good story where maybe the company's rebounded operationally, but the stock doesn't yet reflect it. We should see a big...
Why is that? I'm just curious, why do you think that's so? Just because they haven't gone out to sell the story?
It's possible. The company, definitely the management team, a lot of them are new or new to their roles, and they've been, working on rebuilding the equity share and other projects. We think that investors will see a big ramp in the fourth quarter earnings compared to the third quarter, something about 15% higher earnings, and that should continue into the new year. So we see a good chance of earnings revisions, people bumping estimates there, and plenty of valuation upside, even to NYSE, which itself we think is a good value.
Look into the future a little bit and tell me what's happening in 2010, because there's interest rate swaps, aren't they coming to the market? And then you've got power trading in the UK. Explain that.
Yeah, Nasdaq has two interesting projects on tap for 2010. One, they have a unit that clears interest rate swaps, something that regulators are extremely interested in. That's called IDCG. The second thing is that they've moved to be a trading center and a new system for utility trading in the UK, something that's akin to what the Intercontinental Exchange does in the US, which is a big business. So those two revenue sources, while still speculative, would add to the growth angle of Nasdaq.
All right. I want to thank you very much. Ed Ditmire, coming in from Macquarie Equities Research, a new nameplate, but still an expert in the world of exchanges. You like Nasdaq OMX outperform rating and a $30 target for NDAQ. Thanks very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.